Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat not working. So let's get into it. Number 1. Restart the Snapchat app. You might face issues opening Snapchat from the recent menu. To remedy this, completely close Snapchat and open it again. Number 2. Check your internet connection. Snapchat requires an active internet connection to load those sizzling snaps from your friends. Android users must swipe down from the top and open the notification panel menu. Check quick toggles, enable Wi-Fi and connect to a fast and reliable Wi-Fi connection. Number 3. Check your Snapchat app permissions. Snapchat requires camera, contact, photo, location, and microphone permissions to function as expected. If you deny these permissions, you're left with a broken app experience. Here's how to enable relevant app permissions on Android. Long press on Snapchat app icon. Select the I button to open the app info menu. Go to the permissions menu. Check denied permissions. Select the required permission for Snapchat. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.